Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I will show you how you could add an SSD to your computer.
So before you proceed with opening your computer, make sure that you have the appropriate screwdrivers. And this is very important so that you open your computer without problems. Also, an additional thing which you might want to do is that you search in YouTube for your computer series or your computer brand, how to open that specific computer. For example, your computer name is X Series 500. You want to go to YouTube and type how to open computer X Series 500, just to avoid breaking anything and to avoid destroying anything in the computer. Next step, we will just turn our computer. Make sure to try different sizes of those screwdrivers if you have the opportunity to have multiple, so that you use the appropriate one. Next step, we'll just open our screw. Now I will use this little plastic tool to pull up. If it doesn't open, don't force it. Just try to look exactly how to open it without forcing anything. Normally it should go smoothly with you. Now that we have opened our computer, we'll proceed with the second step. Now that you have opened your laptop or your computer, you want to check. So for the SSD there are two types. There is the type which looks like classical hard disk, and there is the type which is called M.2, which is this one, which looks like this. It tends to be cheaper, but it works the same as the classical SSD. So now we have, for me, I have two options. I can either plug this SSD here and leave my hard disk plugged, or I can just remove my hard disk and replace it by this SSD. If you don't have the option for this M.2 SSD, you want to unplug your current hard disk and replace it by the so-called classical SSD. It has the same shape as this hard disk. Note that also you can remove your DVD reader, and you can use a caddy box adapter, which you see in the picture, which allows you also to plug an additional SSD or an additional hard disk to your laptop.
I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or just send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.